Good morning, Junior Learning House. So I am Pat, and we are doing another maths lesson today. So first, let's open up our work at home books. Hold on, that's not it. This is it here. And we've done the first 3 maths lessons this term so far. If you haven't done them, go back and have a look at some of the other videos that we've already pre-recorded. But we're going to do this lesson today, money, number 4. So let me read it to you. My lunch costs $5. Which coins could I use to pay for my lunch? Now it says coins and not notes, so we're only using coins today. How many different combinations of coins can you make? Now there's a lot to go on in this one question, so let's break it down. So we've had a look at the sheet. All right, so what we should do is get your big work at home book, open up, and I would suggest, if you can, maybe for this exercise, maybe use an entire page. That might be a good idea. So make sure you've got a blank page now. You know what we're going to do. The first thing is we're going to put the date. 23rd of the 7th, 20. Great. Now we can call this, let's do a little bit of a heading. Big capital M, money, money, and maths. Let's call it money maths. So pause the video and make sure you've done that. Now the question said, my lunch costs $5. So how can I make that with different coins? So let's write that down so we don't forget. So let's write a short sentence. Okay, capital M, my lunch costs, and then when you're doing a dollar sign, you do a capital S and a line through the middle. So do that. My lunch costs, and we can do a number 5. And that dollar sign and that 5, that would mean $5. My lunch costs $5. Now you can write this down if you want, or you can flip back and forth, or you can keep this video open. I'll just write it down so we know it's at the top of our page and we know what to do. Which coins could I use? We'll just write that. Which coins could I use? Okay, that's our question. Now, if you don't have any coins at home, because more and more we're not using as much sort of money that we hold, we can draw some. So let's use this next part of the page to draw some coins. Okay, well, let's draw one coin. Well, circle. Now in this circle, do another S, turn it into a dollar sign, and do a 1. Okay, well that's a $1 coin. So let's do a little bit of maths. Well, $1. Okay, well I need to make it equal $5. Okay, so if you don't have coins, that's okay. How many of those $1 would we need? We've got 1, so we need 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put an S in all of them and a dollar. S, line down the middle. S, line down the middle. S, line down the middle. 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's double check. Are we right? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Tick. Give yourself a big tick. Now I'm just going to do a few examples for you, but I'd like you to do as many different combinations as you can in order to equal $5. Let's do another one. Well, what you could do is you could think, all right, well, let's do a coin that's a little bit smaller than the $1 coin, an S and another line. This time, let's do a 2. Okay. Well, we still need to equal $5, don't we? So have a bit of a think. Pause the video. I want you to write it out yourself. But we've got $2 there, but we still need a few more dollars to get to 5. What you could do is you could go, well, $2 plus 1 is 3, plus another is 4, plus another is 5. Okay, well, you could do that. There you go. And let's double check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, we're right again. Can you do it a little bit differently? All right. Let me write out some more for you. What if I wrote out, let's make this a little bit harder. Now, I'm not going to fill this in, so you have to fill it in. All right, so $2 plus another $2 plus something. You need to tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got $4. What do we need to get to 5? You tell me, you draw in that next one. Now, with 50-cent coins, that's the biggest coin that we have in Australia. Now, it is a dodecahedron, meaning it's got lots and lots of different sides. You could just draw a bigger circle if you want. That's fine. Now, when you're drawing 50 cents, draw a 5, a 0, and a little C, because it's cents. If we had 100 cents, we would have $1, but we're not quite there yet. So 50 cents plus, how can we get to $1? Well, if we added another 50 cents, then we would be at $1, but we don't need $1, do we? We need $5. So we've got $1. So how are you going to add another few coins? What coins are you going to use? So draw in your own coins there, okay? Next, what you could do is you could try this activity with maybe 20-cent coins, or with a mixture of 50-cent coins, $2 coins, and $1 coins. So try a few different examples. On this other page, I'm going to show you a few more ideas. So if you had 10 cents and you added 20 cents, what would you have? Can you tell me? What would that be? Could you write that down? I'd love to see the answer. What about, let's do another one. 20 cents plus 20 cents plus 10 cents. Can you tell me the answer of that one? Let's keep going. Let's make this a little bit harder. So if this is all a little bit confusing and you're thinking, Pat, my brain is exploding, I don't know what to do. Well, what you can do is you can try and forget that these are even coins and just think that they're numbers. Let's do that. Let's write 10 plus 20 plus 20. This makes it a little bit easier. And remember, we're going to think about what numbers are in the ones column and what number in the tens column. So what's 0 plus 0? Well, 0. Plus another 0? Still 0. What's 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3. Or 1 plus 2, 3. Plus another 2, so 3. Plus another 2, 5. There you go. 50. So this would equal 50 cents. So what I would be practicing is I would either try and get up to 50 cents or try and get up to $1 and then go back and do some different combinations that equal up to $5. And I would like to see maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different examples. Now, I mean, it could be very, very easy. And you could just say, well, Pat, I'm not going to use coins at all. I'm going to use a $5 note. And then that's my lunch. But try and use coins for today. That'd be great. But that's it. So have a bit of a practice. Go back and watch the video if you're not sure and try and use different coins. If you have coins at home, that's the best because you can feel them, you can move them around, and you can do all of that good stuff. But thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if it is a little bit tricky, please ask your teacher or maybe your parent or your carer for help. Now, the best thing is now we can get our work at home book and we can, with a colored texter, we can color in that next square because we've done that. So my lunch costs $5. Which coins could I use to pay for my lunch? How many different combinations of coins can you make? I would love to see as many as you can. But if you're just still learning money maths and it's a little bit confusing, just try and get to $1 first. Once you can get to $1, or you could have 10 10-cent coins, you could have 5 20-cent coins. How many 5-cent coins? Keep trying to get to $1 first, then go to $5. That'd be great. But otherwise, I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.